On the home screen, swipe up for the app menu. Go to the Settings app and click on the Connection tab. Turn on the Wi-Fi. Now, you should be able to see all available networks around you. Choose on the network that you wish to connect and type the password to connect to the Wi-Fi. You are now connected to the Wi-Fi. So let's start from showing how to install a nano SIM card. First, locate the SIM slot from the side of the device. Eject the SIM tray using an ejection pin. Then, pull out the SIM tray. Prepare your SIM card according to the size. Always make sure the chip of the SIM card faces down and fits to the shape when placing on the SIM tray. Now, you can slide the SIM tray back into the device. Turn on the mobile data to connect to the internet.